I have a video footage that I recorded while I was about to pump gas into my car, and I am deeply disturbed by what I saw with my young black women. Y'all, we gotta do better. Please stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Finish the Race VL, aka Victory Lap. I am Liz. I am the host of this channel, and the purpose of my channel, for the ones who have clicked on my video for the first time, I am documenting my journey to repatriate to Africa and also to help inspire those who are trying to become a better you. Yeah, you who's watching me, become a better you. So sometimes every now and then I like to give some good encouraging words, some uplifting words. Even when I'm uplifting you, I'm uplifting myself, because I strive to do better and be better each day, because I'm not perfect. I'm working on Liz. It's like a daily investment that I make every day, is to invest in myself to be a better me, and I hope you would do the same for you. But on today's video, oh my gosh, I'm not happy about this one. I'm not happy about reporting this video, but this is something that we need to continue to discuss among our young women and men. And before I go any further, I want you to take a look at this video right here. Check this out.
Yeah, I could.
Was that not disturbing? Could you imagine you're driving on the highway and you realize, oh God, let me put some gas in my car. What if you had children in your car? What if you had your elderly parents in the car? Not only that, yourself. And then you pull over, and before you even get out of your car, you see a group of your young black sisters in the middle of the parking lot with that ass thrown up in the air, just bouncing it up and down in public. And then you have this one man of a fool with the camera who's over here trying to get all the footage so he can go and show his partners and his friends, probably so. When are we going to understand that we as a people, how can you demand respect when you don't even respect yourself? Right? I can see now why the government is partnering up with the juvenile rapper for you to take the vaccine. Why they came out with a song, the remake of his Back That Thing Up. They did a remake or a remix of his song talking about Backs That Thing Up. Because it is targeted to this generation of people that they can only communicate to in such a derogatory way that, hey, just throw it in a song. We know how to get them to get the vaccine. And did y'all see the video? Well, we're in the public just displaying ourselves in such a way that is such an embarrassment. And I'm shaking my head like, wow. And then who would I be to walk out and say, come on, ladies, y'all, don't do that. You know exactly what they would have done to me. They would have been like, this bitch, get out my, they would have been cursing me out and calling me all kind of names, and probably would even attempt to jump me. I've seen those type of behaviors, and I've seen those type of women before. But we have to understand, in order for us to progress and to grow as a community, these are the type of behaviors that we need to keep at home. Okay, if you want to dance, you want to throw, you want to pop it, you want to twerk it, twerk that mess at home. Not in front of your kids so they can mimic what you're doing, but in the privacy of an adult, entertainment at a club or whatever you're going to do. I mean, understand, you want to have a good time, you want to have fun, you want to, move your body. I get it. But there is a time and a place when you need to do those things. And in the middle of a gas station parking lot is not the place. That is not the place to display that type of behavior. So they make this song, Back That Thing Up. And they do other type of subliminal messages and these music. These are the people that you guys look up to, these rappers, these music artists that is training you and programming you to believe that this is how you have to carry yourself and display yourself in public, right? Y'all trust them. They are programming our people. Because we have come into a state of mind that we cannot govern ourselves. We can't govern ourselves. And I know I'm not speaking for most. I'm not speaking for the majority, because the majority of us is not out here doing it. But there's a lot it takes a small number of people to influence millions upon millions of people. Even our young girls. I was watching a video, a little TikTok shorts or YouTube shorts video where the mother was dancing along with her daughter in a seductive manner, gyrating her body in a sexual way. And then the daughter was like even doing it better than her. And the girl had to been around, if I had to guess, 10 or 11, maybe 12, maybe younger. So this is how you training your child? This is how you training your young girls now? So when those predators that's out there looking at this on your TikTok and your YouTube channels, your Instagram, do you know that you are opening the door, the floodgates for these demonic spirits to come in and infiltrate? Because trust me, they know who to approach and who not to approach. When you have a certain spirit about you, and when you carry yourself in a certain way, and you wonder why you attract certain men or women, your aura attract them towards you, is because of who you are and how you carry yourself. Just know any kind of person can come to you if you're a woman of a certain stature of class. If you're a man who's a gentleman. A true gentleman, a man that carry himself in such a way, is not going to attract some ratchet woman who likes to gyrate her ass in the middle of a gas station parking lot. No. I'm also saddened to see, and then how the women were out. I mean, they was high-fiving, slapping each other on the, like, girl, you better do it. Encouraging one another. I truly believe that today's rapper and music artists are serving the most filthiest lyrics out there to our young people. But the music is far much more powerful and effective than crack or cocaine can do to anybody. It is killing us. It is destroying us as a people. epidemic. Listen to the music. Listen to what they're saying about each other and about yourself. Listen to the filth that is going into your mind, your psyche.
Ass in the club, plan B, I just swallow the nut. Let a young nigga come play your and I'm a genie, bitch. And inappropriate.
I just want us to value ourselves more. I want us to understand that we have to not continue to support music that is tearing down our people, tearing down our communities, that is feeding us the filth, the new crack. That's what it is. The new music of today in this industry, rappers and the music artists, is the new crack. And it's killing our people daily. It's sending our people in such a place where I feel like, are we ever going to get out of this? Are we ever going to be able to open our eyes and see that this is not helping me as an individual? This is not going to help my child to, to groom them to be who they need to be? How can we as a parent be training up a child if we in the middle of the street gyrating and going on like we... Come on, y'all. We got to do better. I want you guys to help spread the word, how detrimental it is for us to not only be aware of what we're listening to, but also how we behave in public. There is a time and a place for everything. I understand you're going to have a good time, but there is a time and a place for everything. Let's start valuing ourselves as individuals. Let's get back into our roles of how it was back in the day, how we looked out for one another, how we respect one another. We respect what we wore out in public. We ain't trying to let everybody, Joe Blow and Curtis Moe, everybody see our thing. Y'all, we can do it, but it's going to take one person at a time. And it has to start with yourself. You have to look in the mirror and say, what am I doing? What are the things that I'm listening to? How do I conduct myself in public? Am I representing myself the best me that as I should in public? Am I mentoring those that I could help mentor? Young women and men? Speak to the young men. Women, speak to the younger women. We need to start mentoring one another. We need to start, and I understand that it has to be a willing participant. I do understand that. You can't just mentor anybody that's not openly ready to receive the advice, to receive the wisdom and the knowledge, because some of them will curse you out. I get it. But the ones that we can get to, the ones that you know in your spirit, if you come across somebody that might need to hear something that can take them to the next level of their way of thinking and the way of behaving, how to, some of them just don't know. Some of them just don't know that this is inappropriate because maybe this is what they saw in their own homes with their mother and their father. And this is not the first time I've seen this. I've driven around in predominantly black neighborhoods where one day I got lost on the back road somewhere, and I made a turn, and it was a block party or some sort, and it was late at night, and there was no street lights, so the only lights that was shining was, the little lights that they may have had out there, and then my car light. And I felt like I was the deer caught in the headlights, because there were just people out there doing the unimaginable things out in the streets with young little babies. So the younger kids are watching their parents twerking and doing splits and doing all kind of derogatory sexual dances. And maybe this is all that they know. Who knows? But we got to do better. I'm going to end that video for right now. I just wanted to share with you guys what I saw, and then hoping that we can understand that we as a people, we got to do better. And we as women, we are more than just our bodies. We are more than just showing how nicely shapely that we are. We are more than just that. You have a brain. Use that brain. Twerk that brain. Use it to elevate you to the next level. Use it to, as an investment, being creative with the thoughts that you have and the talents that you have. Other than the physical, everything ain't about that. Because beauty will fade. Beauty will fade. All right, now I'm going to end it. As always, it's not how you start. It's how you finish. See you until next time. Bye.